Hello guys, welcome back to WP Talk. Today we're diving into a topic that I know many of you have asked for, and that is how to find your WordPress username and password in your hosting panel. So if you've lost your WordPress credentials and you're looking for how to retrieve it, this video is just for you. If you are meeting for the first time, my name is Sheriff, your WordPress guide for the day. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Uh, to retrieve your username and password, I would recommend that you click on the lost your password option on your WordPress login. So this is by far the easiest way to get this done. Okay. So just click on lost your password right here, enter your username and your email address. So if you remember your username, you can enter your username. But if you can't remember your username, you can just enter your email address. Once you enter that, click on get new password. Or however, if probably you've lost access to your email address or you forgot the email address you use for your WordPress website, then you can then proceed to the next step, which is retrieving your username and password in your hosting panel. Log into your hosting panel. So for me, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is my hosting panel right here. So what you should look for is the PHP my admin. Okay, so you can just locate PHP my admin. So this is mine. Or perhaps you can just type PHP my admin right here. Click on it. So once you click on it, for some hosting that make use of cPanel, once you click on PHP my admin, it will direct you to the PHP my admin page, just like this. Okay, but in my own case, my panel, redirects me first to the database page, where I can see all my database. Then I will then click on the right database I want to work on. So just if you have several websites on your hosting panel and you are not sure, the exact database name you want to work with, you can easily get that by locating file manager. So let me just check. Let me just show you how to retrieve how to get the database name for the WordPress you want to work on. Okay, so you go back to your hosting panel, control panel, click on file manager, then make sure you select the right installation folder, then look for WP config. So here is the WP config. Okay, so just click on it and locate the line that says define db underscore name. So your database is the next thing after that. So now that you've known your database, then you can click on it, open the right database. So I will just click here now. So here is my database that I want to work on. So once you are on the database page, on the PHP my admin page, look for users table. So this is the users table. So just click on it and you can see a list of all the WordPress users on your website. So for the admin is going to be the number one user, which with the ID 1. Okay, so just look under the user underscore login. The username, the name you find there is a username. So that is first thing. That is how you can retrieve your username. Then for the password, WordPress encrypts the password. Okay, so there is no way you can actually tell the exact password you used. So the best thing is to reset your password. Okay, so to do that, click on edit and enter a new password in the user underscore pass field. So once you enter a new password, click here and select MD5. So this is MD5. Once you do that, click on go. So once you click on go, is we've saved the changes for you. All right, it's going to save the changes for you. So once you do that, then you can go back to your login page, enter the username, and enter the new password. Then click on login. So, all right, guys. So that's it, guys. That is how you can retrieve your username and password, and also change your password by logging into your hosting panel and do that right on your database. If you've got found this video helpful, please kindly share with someone that you think might need it, and see you in my next video. Thank you, guys.